My name is Jillian from Planet Technologies and the Evolve 365 team. For today's tips and tricks video, we're going to take a look at using Copilot in Microsoft Edge. You don't need any special Copilot license, just your standard commercial Microsoft license. To get started, simply click on any of the Copilot icons you see dotting your page. I'm currently on the bing.com page, but you can also access Copilot from copilot.microsoft.com or from the sidebar by clicking on this icon. The sidebar icon will follow you to any page, so if you're reading an article and you want to find more articles like that, or if you want to dig into more of the trends and topics of that article, you can ask Copilot to help recommend some items. You can also use the suggested Copilot prompts that are listed right here in the sidebar for you. There are a lot of great options to choose from or things that might inspire you to create your own. You can also create your own custom prompts down here at the bottom. To get started, simply ask a question in a regular conversational manner, and Copilot will understand you and provide some relevant response. To get started today, I'm going to prompt Copilot to help me create a 4-day itinerary for a trip to Washington, D.C. To do that, you can type into this box. You can include images, screenshots, files, and even record your voice instead of typing with your keyboard. Once you enter your prompt, you can also specify whether you want to have a more creative response or if you want your response grounded in fact. Or if you're somewhere in between where a little bit of creativity and a little bit of fact is going to be the right choice for you. You can also tell that you're in a commercial experience of Copilot because I have this green protection icon up here in the top of my screen. This is letting me know that my information is not being used to train the model, however, that the data being returned to me is coming from public data sources. I also want to be cognizant that Copilot uses AI and that I need to check for mistakes in my responses. Once you're happy with your prompt, you can go ahead and click the Submit key, and Copilot will start to provide a response to you. If at any time you want to stop Copilot, you can click the Stop button and either re-enter your prompt or go on to a different area. You'll see that as Copilot starts to provide responses, it's not only providing what it thinks I want to see, it's also providing me with links and sources and sites that can help me learn more about the items that it's referencing. So if I do want to stay at a particular place, I can click on a link and quickly find that website. I can also see that there are links down at the bottom of my screen that are going to help me find more information about my request. Once your request is completed, you're also going to see that Copilot provides additional suggestions. So maybe I didn't think of something in my prompt, and it's giving me some additional recommendations that I can continue to ask additional questions of Copilot on this same topic without having to re-enter my original prompt. Not only can you use the suggestions provided, you can also put in your own suggestions to refine your request. So if I'm looking for it to also include some items for rainy days, I can enter that, and now Copilot will refine its response to include options for inclement weather. If you're happy with your response, you're simply able to copy and paste this and put it into another document so that you can use it later or reference it another time. You can also indicate whether you like or dislike or would like to export this information or heard it read aloud. By copying this item and placing it in another location, you can ensure that you can reference it in the future, as Copilot does not save or retain the information you request or the responses it provides. This information is wiped out after a period of time or after you leave this screen, or when you click the New Topic button, it will wipe out and go back to scratch. I want to thank you for watching today's session. Until next time.